front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, this time to click on Privacy Controls. Following that, select Permission Manager and finally pick any feature you wanna manage. For example, let's go with Camera. Now you will see all of your apps under all of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Aliexpress from not allowed one. Apply any of those options by clicking on the one you want. In my case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with first option. So when I tap and go back, I can see that Aliexpress just gained access to my device's camera while I'm using it. But what most people miss is that you can actually click on any feature just to tap on an app you wanna manage. For example, I will go into Contacts just to access my TikTok. Now, instead of tapping on one of those options, click on tiny text at the bottom, see all permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!